besides teaching college students, I spend time with kids in upper elementary grades, getting them to work with my software called Impromptu, where they're uh, making music and thinking about uh, why it works and how it works, and what that has to do with, or really bringing in the need for some kind of arithmetic. I started to work on it because in my college classes, I got tired of talking at them, at the students, and having the students talk back at me. And these were students who had no formal music background. And I wanted to find some way that they could get their hands dirty so that they could actually experience some of the things that they were only passively passing them by. People don't listen to notes, and yet what we teach are notes. What people listen to are um, bigger, structurally significant figures and phrases. So with this app, they can begin at that level. They can begin with meaningful chunks, which I call tune blocks, and they can reconstruct a given tune at that level. So maybe Hot Cross Buns has just two. It's got da da dum, and it's got da 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 da. Okay, so but to their surprise, when they start putting those two little motives together, they get as far as da da dum, dee da dum, da 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 da. And then they say, and this happens all the time. They say, I need another block. It's not here." And that's very profound, because what we don't recognize significantly is that when the same exact pitches and durations come back or come exist in a new context, it sounds completely different. And then they can make their own tunes out of these blocks. And in the process, they're getting very close to understanding some very fundamental issues about what makes music work and what makes it not work. And it's kind of surprising because it's different from what you learn in your beginning music theory class or even your beginning piano classes. There are ways of talking about math and music that are not very musical. What I'm hoping is that the music that is, the math, that it isn't the math functioning, but principles that are expressed usually in mathematics, those kinds of principles like symmetry and proportion uh, and even transformations, which I think are critical to complex music. That's a mathematical idea.